Welcome back to another edition of Todd Talks. This is Todd Rosenfeld, Securities Training Corporation, the Chief Learning Officer. Today I want to talk to you briefly about Regulation BI, or best interests. It's effective June 30th, 2020, and it took a year between the implementation date and the effective date. So it took firms a while to get used to this. A couple of things we want to mention. Investment advisory firms are still regulated under the Investment Advisors Act of 1940 when charging clients fees usually based upon assets under management. Broker-dealers charge transactional-based compensation like commissions, markups, and underwriting spreads. Broker-dealers are now required to comply with Regulation BI, best interests. Both advisors and broker-dealers also have to provide clients with what's called Form CRS, otherwise known as Customer Relationship Summary Reports. Broker-dealers, only 2 pages. If you're both a broker-dealer and an advisor, it'll be 4 pages. And so simply put out in plain English what the difference in the relationship is between an advisor and a broker-dealer, and the fees and charges that they might have and what services they provide, and some useful questions and answers you can go through on these forms. In addition, they define what's called a retail customer, and it's very broad. Currently, there is no definition of a retail customer. There's a definition of an institutional customer, and a retail customer today under Regulation BI is any natural person with an account regardless of his or her assets. So it doesn't really matter how much money they have under management. It's important for firms to provide suitability requirements with cost structures. Is there a firm that you're going to have an account with in which you can buy products but not buy other products? That needs to be disclosed. So it adds a layer of suitability and disclosure and care requirements to broker-dealers similar to investment advisors, but only IAs are fiduciaries. So again, STC does have a few products on Regulation BI. We have a CE module. We're going to be adding Regulation BI to all our courses, the licensing courses. We expect it to be important in the future. And if you want more information, you can contact STC. We have plenty more information on Regulation BI.